Laundry Lady is a mobile laundry service. We offer washing and ironing, pick-up and delivery. We come to you and pick up your washing or ironing and we bring it back to you usually the next day. So our head office is based on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, but we have laundry ladies and lads all over Australia. So from all up and down the east coast of Australia to Adelaide to Perth, we actually have 80 contractors right across Australia, and we're adding new locations all the time. Look, the Laundry Lady started as a business for busy mums and from a busy mum. So it's a great business to be able to help people save time and flexibility in their lives from our customers' point of views, but also for our contractors who are looking for a flexible work from home business model that they can easily tap into. Our laundry ladies and lads that come to us don't come to us because they love doing ironing. They come to us because they're really looking for time and flexibility in their lives, because they want to be able to work from home. They might want to work around their children or look after elderly parents, or just have some kind of flexibility in their lives. So the contractors who join our team come to us for that reason. Probably a misconception is that people think that we just service residential customers and just do a few washing and ironing jobs. Our customer base is actually really broad ranging, from residential customers right through to business customers. Our business customers include places like Airbnbs, beauty salons, and a whole range of different types of businesses. And then on the residential front, we also service NDIS customers, tourists, and people like that. So it's a really broad range. Everyone has laundry, so there's lots of different types of customers that we service. So joining a business like ours is great because we have a really low startup cost, and I think, for anyone going into business, they're looking at things that are, to have low risk and to be able to get up and running and make money very quickly. So a business like ours is a really great one to join because you can get in quickly, low startup cost of just $3.99, and you'll get customers up and running very, very fast. So we're really focusing on growing our business Australia-wide. As I said before, we have 80 contractors throughout Australia, and we're adding new locations all the time. We're really looking to grow completely national, so that wherever you go, you can use our laundry service and book it online.